Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile Denied. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile Denied, you should just go to Settings. Here on this page, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about FIFA Mobile. Then in this list of app info, you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to airplane sign. You will click to turn on, and then you can turn off your airplane again to fix any problem you have here. Denied FIFA Mobile. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.